Well, it seems that a lot of this course is about links, doesn't it? But that's only because links are so critical to search engine optimization. You may be lucky. Perhaps your site can rank well without too much link work. That certainly happens depending on the degree of competition you're facing in the search results for your keywords. But that happy situation doesn't always occur. In many cases, competition is fierce and you really need more links. So in this section of the course, I'm going to teach you a few more ways to get links, more advanced methods perhaps, and also things that are perhaps a little sensitive. Things like getting links from online discussion groups and forums, which can get you in trouble, but can also really help if done right. And things like guest blogging, something that's got a bad name in recent years, but that can also work well in some cases. You'll also learn about the concept of link bait, building something that other people just want to link to, and the awkward question of should you buy links, and why the search engines hate purchased links.